Real niggas first, family over money. Kingpin dreams, trap house jumping. Got my paper right, they can't tell me nothing. Grand all winning, fucking up the summer. Do it big time, might go get a Hummer. Even though you lying, tell me that you love me.
Bringing it back to my buddy, he told us to come out, and we started building this course for him on credit. And my really good friends were out there, and we started building this course. And it was crazy. It was really cool. I didn't really know that much about credit. We learned all these things about like how to stay at hotels for free without points. Like you get these these special passes that I won't drop too much game on it right now. Maybe that's for later when we're not on the mic.
I feel you.
Yeah. But
I didn't know there was a way to do that.
Yeah. You can also fly for free too
without points.
Without points. So you can just get these special passes from these special people, and you can essentially stay at hotels for 70 to 90% off and fly first class for free.
That's crazy. So like, does your credit have to be good for like?
Not for that.
So you can do it with no points and no good credit, still fly and travel for free. That's different. I got it.
Yeah. I won't go too far.
Okay, you got to. I'm happy to know that.
Yeah, for sure. So we're doing like a program that has stuff to do with that, has stuff to do with credit. Basically, just kind of like hacking the system. Like that's that. Funny enough, that's a lot of my entrepreneurship journey has been about just hacking the system. Just like finding these anomalies, these glitches that I can exploit. And then just like you find these little tiny, holes, and you exploit them, and you can just make so much money. So